Alright guys, so today we're gonna installing Visual Studio Code. For that, open Chrome browser or any another browser. Just wrote here VS Code download and hit the enter button. Click on the first result. Now click on Windows and press Ctrl J. So it will took 2 minutes to download. Finally, our VS Code has been downloaded. Now let's install the VS Code. Click on this file icon. Now right click on this VS Code and select this option run as administrator. Click on this option. Once you click on this option, this pop-up window will be appear on your screen. Then simply click on yes. Then click on OK. I accept the agreement. Then click on next, next, next. Make sure you can click all these boxes. It will helpful to us. Then click on next, next, install. We will see why we mark the that three boxes. VS Code is installed successfully. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. This will appear on desktop. Double click to open. Let me tell you why we mark that boxes. Let me create one folder. Okay, let me rename this. Okay, so if I want to open this folder in VS Code, I will simply press shift and right click, and then this option will be appear open with code. Once I click on this open with code, this folder will be open in VS Code. Now there is one more way to open folder in Visual Studio Code, that is click it over here, remove everything, just type cmd, hit the enter button. Now this cmd will be open. Now just wrote code space dot and hit the enter button. This is another way to open Visual Studio Code in this folder. Okay, so this is all about installing and downloading Visual Studio Code. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.